Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to do something a little bit different. If you read the title, you already know. I'm here to recreate Miss Trixie Mattel's makeup. Now, if you don't know who Trixie is, what are you doing here? But let me tell you, if you don't know it, it's okay. You know, we can all be educated. Now, she's a content creator on YouTube, but mostly she's known for being on RuPaul's Drag Race and winner of All Stars. Now, she actually is also a brand owner of a makeup company, a singer-songwriter, a comedian, like you name it, she probably has done it. It's really inspiring to see somebody else creating something amazing and a legacy out of pretty much nothing. So I can just hope one day that, you know, I can be that for somebody else too. Like this, like she's an inspiration to me as a business owner, for marketing herself, like very inspiring. Now, if you don't know or never seen her makeup, it is very crazy. She is actually trying to look like a Mattel doll, like a Barbie doll. So all of her features are really crazy and accentuated, and it's really fun to see somebody creating such an iconic look that you could see on anybody and you would immediately know, oh my god, this is Trixie Mattel. And so I'm excited to see how it looks actually on me. I will go off camera, shave, I block my brows, and then we do the rest together. See you in a minute. Alright, so I actually pulled up a picture from her to just have kind of like a rough idea. Now, if you wonder about this white liners, this is just giving me an understanding on how my wig will sit, because obviously this is not a typical look for me, so I need to understand how high my eyebrows go and stuff like that. But the first thing I want to actually do, and I'm just scooting my mirror close to me, is take the Camille Gouin liner and roughly shape out where the liner will be, so I have an understanding where everything else goes. So I'm starting in here, and she actually extends the inner corner, but she actually doesn't go down too much, so she kind of like goes this way, and then she follows her crease. Pretty straight line, honestly, and down to the eye. This is roughly the idea that I want to go with. Now next, let me just lay down some layers of foundation, and I'm going in with the trusty TV paint stick. Also, something that I will try from now on is to avoid makeup where the lace is sitting, because I personally find that the last couple of times the makeup I did, when I did it and glued down my wig, it actually kind of like clings into my wig, the makeup, and it's so hard to remove, so hard. So I'm trying to avoid that. Next, I'm using my super color in Clown White, just getting a little bit of highlight in the center here. Next, I go into the super color contour wheel from Kryolan. I'm using the lightest shade, and I want to map out where my brows go, and that's a very different shape for me, so a little scared about that, but we can do it, we can do it, we can do it. Right, so it goes kind of like up and out, kind of like that. I already love it, it's so stupid. Next, I go into the flat brush with my super color and in Clown White and clean it up. Next, I'm using a translucent setting powder and set it in place. Next, I'm going in with the
Oh honey
palette from Sugar Pill. That was a collaboration of Sugar Pill and Trixie Mattel, and I'm going in with Side Saddle. This is the warm medium brown, and I know she kind of like just stamps it in a half moon-ish shape. Next, I'm going in with Pony Boy, what is the dark brown. Next, I'm using the Chroma line in Pure White from MAC, and this is now to create the crease. I'm starting in the inner corner here, and I just draw a straight line Next I'm setting the white with the Life is a Drag palette. The white Cake Face is the color. Alright, before we continue with the eyes, let me just do quick the rest of my face. I'm taking off my earrings.
Okay. Hold my earrings, please.
Oh, we didn't know. It gets serious when she's taking off her earrings. I'm going in with my clown white. I don't have to draw too high because this is all still will be part from the eye. Now Trixie's nose contour is a struggle. She just literally does a straight line down the nose. So let me try to do that. For the nose contour, because she usually uses like really warm colors, I'm kind of like going with the same brown that I use for my eyebrows. Just draw next to it, kind of like that. Alright, let us blend this out a little bit. And she literally just creates a shadow ball around it on the nose. I don't really think that makes her like looks thinner, her nose, but that's what she's doing. I hope the nose is crooked because that's what she's doing too.
My nose is so crooked.
Is it really?
Yes.
I'm reading you to filth. Sorry, Trixie. Now for her face contour, she's literally drawing a straight line almost like from where the ear ends to her mouth. And then on the chin. I'm just blending this a little up here. And I also contour a little bit the forehead. Right? Blending. So the mailman just showed up. Life of a YouTuber and drag queen. Yeah, I just opened the door looking like this to them, so don't even want to know what was going through his head. So I'm going in with a deeper color of the same wheel just to kind of like get a little bit more depth right here, and then just blend away. And now to kind of like make this sharper again, I'm just going in with the foundation and literally draw a line. Just get that clean again. Now that I'm pretty happy with how it looks like, I'm going in with my translucent powder and set it. Alright, next I want to finish the eyeshadow part. So I'm going back into the Oh Honey palette, the same two brown colors, and just use it like underneath here. And connect it here to the liner. And then here I just like to use a clean brush, fading it out. Going with Pony Boy again. Now we're going with the black, the shadowy from the Life is a Drag palette, just to really push the outer corner to its darkest point. Alright, next I'm going back into the clown white. And then we draw all of this here white. Now I want to quickly set that with some white eyeshadow. And I'm using a white eye kohl in the waterline. Next I'm using a black Jewlery. Just really get this covered as quick as possible, all of the eyeliner part. I feel this is really when the magic happens. Then I go in with the liquid liner one more time to really just get that edge really defined. And I have to go close, so I'm probably out of frame. And then you want to set that also with some black shadow, so that doesn't move. Now I'm just coating my lashes with some mascara. You don't really see them anyway. Now for the eyebrows, I'm actually doing a couple of hair strokes. Because I know she has done these a couple of times. Now Trixie has a beautiful blush in this palette, but I don't want to really use it. I want to use something more peachy. So I'm using the blush just a pinch. Now I'm using the Hyper Real palette gold just to give me a little bit of a highlight on my new created cheekbone. Now for lashes, I go on the top with this caterpillar of a lash. This is like a stacked, I think 3 pair of 301s and then a MAC one, like there's a lot in there. And then on the bottom I'm using Fairy Doll by Eldora. And this is kind of like a soft, spiky-ish lash. So that's what I'm actually using on the bottom. So let me put on my lashes really quick. And what's the best trick for doing Trixie's lashes is actually not putting it on the actual eye lashes, but into the crease. Just popping it in here. And that's pretty much it. And finally, Jesus, that's a lot of lash. For my lip, I'm using Whirl and Lady Be Good, kind of like a peachy nude. Alright, I will go off camera, put on my hair, my little outfit, and then you will see the final result. See you in a minute. Alright guys, and this is the final result. Ew, so stupid. What do you guys think? Oh my god, this was so much fun to recreate her look. At the same time, I'm like, what does somebody have in their mind to actually go and create this? Like, Trixie, girl, you crazy, and I love it. Thank you so much for being my inspiration today. If you guys like this video, do me a couple of favors. First, like this video. Second of all, subscribe. And then ring the little bell so you get notified whenever I upload. I watch my analytics. There's a lot of you guys who actually watch my videos and are not subscribed. Rude! So go ahead and subscribe. And then if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section. Now, everything I used today, as well as links, for example, to the jewelry or the outfit, you will find all that in the info box. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I had so much fun. Oh my goodness. I actually, like, my favorite part was opening the door to the mailman looking like partial this. Yeah, hopefully I will still get my mail in the future and he's not like, nope, the crazy one's living, so I'm not going there. So, yep, that's it. All right, let me go now because this needs to end. Thank you again for watching today's video, and until I see you next time, as always, stay safe and wash your hands. Bye-bye.